Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is class 10th, subject of general science. Today's topic is electric motor. Motor is a device which converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. Motor is an electric device which converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. Every electric motor, it has a shaft which rotates continuously when electric current is passed into it. This rotation of the shaft, it is used to draw the various parts of or various types of machines in homes and industries. Electric motor, it is used in electric fans, washing machines, refrigerators, mixer and grinder, and many other appliances. A common electric motor works on direct current, so it is called a DC motor, which means a direct current motor. This motor is a device which converts electrical energy into the mechanical energy. That means in this device what happens, the electrical energy is used to do the mechanical work. This work it is done by the rotation of the shaft of an electric motor. When electric current is passed into an electric motor, what happens? It is shaft or spindle. It rotates continuously, and the rotation of its shaft, it is used to draw the various types of machines. Drive various types of machines. It's used to drive the various types of machines. ठीक you see electric motor is used in various types of machines like electric fans, washing machines, refrigerators, mixer, grinder, and many other appliances. You see, common electric motor work on direct electric current. On this base, it is called a DC motor. Now, let us discuss the principle of an electric motor. Electric motor, it utilizes the magnetic effect of current. Magnetic effect of current. That means when an electric current is passed through the wire of an electric motor, what happens? It produces electric current. A motor works on the principle that when a rectangular coil is placed in a magnetic field and current is passed through it, a force acts on the coil which rotates it continuously. When it is a rectangular coil place magnetic fields and which current pass through it, what happens? A force acts on the coil. This force, it rotates this coil continuously. When the coil rotates, what happens? The shaft attached to it, it also rotates. In this way, the electrical energy supplied to the motor, it is converted into the mechanical energy of rotation. You see, principle of an electric motor. Let us revise this. The electric motor, it is a device which converts electrical energy into the mechanical energy. You see, every motor, it has shaft which rotates continuously when electric current is passed to it. The electric motor, it utilizes the magnetic effect of current. Utilize for its functioning, it works by the magnetic effect of current. Utilize magnetic effect of current You see, motor, it works वर्क करा यथ उसूलस पे क्या कि रेक्टेंगुलर कॉइल प्लेस करा कत मज इन ए मैग्नेटिक फील्डस मज बे करंट पास करा कि युथि पास कर फोर्स एक्ट ग कत पे अत रेक्टेंगुलर कॉइलस पे यम सह रोटेट करा कंटिन्यूसली ठीक when the coil rotates युथि coil rotates करा अम सत क्या गसान shaft attach to this coil it also rotates ये हसा rotate गसान in this way क्या गसान electrical energy supply करा to the motor यह हसा convert गसान into the mechanical energy of rotation this is